'Tis the season, my friends. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about 5 ways that you can make extra money doing things in your local community during the holiday season. Hey there, my friends. This is Kelly Schaefer, the creator of the Concierge Academy, where I help local businesses market more successfully so they can make more money, get more clients, and have a greater impact in their local community. And today, my friends, I am donning on some fun holiday attire. So I wanted to come in today because a lot of people get started in the concierge industry and they become overwhelmed by the different ways that they can help others. And I also wanted to let other people know who may not be in the industry yet, let you know extra money this holiday season. And in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 of my favorite ways to make money during the holidays and how you can too. So, one of my favorite ways to make extra money during the holidays, especially as a personal concierge, is decorating. I personally love to decorate. I have a mantle in my family room, and I love to change it up multiple times throughout the year because decorating and having things be freshened up always brings a joy to my life. So, if you are good at decorating, there are a lot of people out there that need help decorating, whether you're decorating their mantles or decorating their trees. It's a really great way that you can make extra money helping people in your community. So I will tell you, years ago, and sometimes you think you have to do all this crazy marketing to get clients, right? I am going to tell you a funny story. So years ago, I was actually out with my bestie and we were out celebrating her birthday. And it was late November. We were out celebrating her birthday. I think it was her 40th birthday, as a matter of fact. So this was many, many years ago. And while we were out, we went to a dance club and literally started talking to people at the club, at the bar, talking to people about my business and what it was that I did. And literally on the spot had a gentleman who was a single guy hire me on the spot to come and set up and decorate his Christmas tree. That was a 12-foot Christmas tree, my friends. It was a lot of work, and I needed to bring on a friend to help me because we had to climb the ladder up and down to decorate the tree. But that is one of my favorite ways to make additional money during the holidays. The second way we make extra money during the holidays is by doing gift shopping. So shopping for people who don't have time to go out and shop. So one of my favorite clients that we've done this for, he has been a client of mine for 8 straight years. And every year I shop for his mom, stepmom, and 2 grandchildren. And he's never given me any insights on what to buy. So you have to definitely be a little bit ninja and a little bit strategic with this. And, but it all works out and you will figure it out. But holiday shopping is one of the other things that I love to do. And again, you can do online shopping, you can do local based shopping. It really depends on what the person needs help with that you are helping. So we had another client who her children, as when they were younger, we did a lot of shopping, like buying things. But then as her children got older and they were late high school age, early college age, every year she wanted to make sure that we purchased some type of an experience for each of her children because they were getting older and she didn't want to just do gift cards. So we did experiences like escape rooms and iFly tickets and race car events. So all you really have to do is just get creative and clever and pull together a bunch of resources and let that person then decide. The third thing you can do to make extra money this holiday season is gift wrapping. Gift wrapping can be done for clients. Gift wrapping can be done for local companies. Gift wrapping can be done for corporations. So we have done it on every platform you can imagine. We've done gift wrapping for individual clients and go to their home and wrap all of their gifts at their own like kitchen table. We have helped clients where we've taken all of their gifts and brought them home and wrapped their gifts in my house and then dropped them back off, already all put together. We've gone into small local companies and local offices like real estate offices, banks, and we've also done it for larger small companies in our area. Our sweet spot is typically between the 75 to 120 employee. That's our favorite sweet spot. And we have done big wrapping events for them. The fourth way that you can make additional money this holiday season is preparing someone's home for the holidays, meaning you're getting it ready for guests to arrive, you're cleaning out the spare bedroom, perhaps you're organizing things, you're helping them clean out closets and excess clutter before the big holidays are upon you. So perhaps you have a skill set of organizing and you love clearing out clutter. That's another way that you can make additional money this year. And the fifth way that you can also make additional money during the holidays is pet sitting. So a lot of people need to or choose to go away during the holidays, and they may have, whether it's fish or a cat or a dog or a bird. We've actually taken care of koi ponds. We've taken care of a multitude of different animals for people so that they could go away on vacation during the holidays if you are in the area and you have time. So that is another way that you can make extra money during the holidays. So my friends, which was your favorite today? Decorating, gift shopping, wrapping, preparing the home, or pet sitting? I would love to know in the comments below, what is your favorite way to make additional money this holiday season? And if you are new to this channel, I have a free resource down below. It's called the Concierge Toolkit. And in that kit, I'm giving you over 100 different ways that you can help people in your local community doing everyday things, everyday errands, everyday tasks that can help you make anywhere from $35 to $75 an hour, helping people in your own community, in your own spare time. But make sure you grab that free toolkit below and make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe bell so that you don't miss any other upcoming episodes. Bye for now, my friends. Happy holidays.